If you're trying to figure out how much OpenArt AI costs, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the current OpenArt pricing, show you where to find the latest plans on the website, and break down the monthly and annual options so you can choose the right tier for your needs. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. To check the latest prices, start by going to the OpenArt website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Upgrade button. That's where OpenArt keeps its current pricing plans, discounts, and subscription options. Since pricing can change over time, this is the best place to verify the latest details before you subscribe. When you open the upgrade page, you'll see that OpenArt offers 4 main tiers: Starter, Plus, Pro, and Wonder. One important thing to understand right away is that all of these prices are billed per user seat, per month. So if you're buying for a team, the total cost will depend on how many seats you need. Let's start with the starter plan. Starter costs $14 per month and includes 4,000 credits. According to OpenArt, that's roughly enough for about 4,000 images, plus 8 parallel generations. This plan is a good entry point if you're just testing the platform or creating content at a smaller scale. But there is one limitation you should know about. On the starter plan, you cannot buy extra credits, so if you use up your monthly allowance, you'll need to wait until the next billing cycle to continue at the basic tier. Next is the Plus plan. Plus costs $34 per month and gives you 12,000 credits, which is 3 times the starter allowance. It also increases generation speed to 16 parallel generations. That makes it a much better choice if you're producing images regularly and want more flexibility without jumping all the way to the top tier. Another benefit of Plus is that, unlike Starter, it supports dynamic credits, so you can buy extra credits if needed. After that, there's the Pro plan. Pro is listed at $56 per month and is described as the most popular option. It includes 24,000 credits and supports 32 parallel generations, which is a major step up for heavier workflows. If you're using OpenArt often for content creation, product mockups, or creative experiments, Pro is the plan that will likely give you the best balance of price and power. It also includes the same ability to purchase extra credits flexibly. Then there's Wonder, which is the heavyweight plan for power users. Wonder costs $240 per month and includes 106,000 credits. This is clearly aimed at high-volume creators, teams, or anyone generating at scale. Like the Plus and Pro plans, Wonder also supports extra credit purchases, so you're not locked into a fixed monthly amount if your usage spikes. One thing all OpenArt plans have in common is that they include director access and access to 100 plus premium models. That means no matter which tier you choose, you still get access to a strong feature set and a wide variety of models to work with. Now let's talk about annual billing, because this is where the savings really show up. If you switch from monthly to annual pricing, the starter plan drops to $12.60 per month, which saves you about 10%. Plus falls to $27.20 per month, giving you a 20% discount. Pro drops further to $43.70 per month, which works out to about 22% off overall. And Wonder comes down to $175.20 per month, which is a massive 27% discount compared to the monthly rate. If you see a summer sale banner at the top of the pricing page, don't ignore it. OpenArt sometimes adds an extra 40% off models during promotional periods, which can make a big difference if you're planning to use the platform heavily. So, what's the best way to choose? If you're just getting started, Starter is the cheapest option, but remember that you can't buy extra credits on that plan. If you want more flexibility, Plus is a strong middle ground. If you're serious about using OpenArt regularly, Pro is probably the best overall value and the most popular for a reason. And if you're running a high-volume creative workflow, Wonder is the premium choice built for scale. A simple tip before you buy: if you know you'll be using OpenArt consistently, annual billing can save you a lot over time. But if you're still testing the platform, monthly billing gives you more freedom to switch later. I hope this guide helped you understand how much OpenArt AI costs and which plan might be right for you. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy software guides, and I'll see you in the next one.